So let's talk about that popping noise or that cracking noise that you hear when you get adjusted. Some people love it. Some people are really concerned about it. So I want to help you understand what it actually is. Most of your joints in your body, they have synovial fluid. And what that synovial fluid is, it's like motor oil. It helps so your joints aren't grinding together or you don't have any stiffness. When we look at the spine, there's these joints in the back are called facet joints. And when we adjust, we actually open up those joint spaces and compress different areas. But inside that, the synovial fluid has gases in it. So it has oxygen, it has carbon dioxide, and it has nitrogen. So when we compress that fluid or open up a joint space, it can actually create a cavitation, or what they call an audible. It's that pop. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's not bone on bone. It's not breaking a bone or anything like that. But what it does, and what I think is very cool, is that when you open up that space, it allows old fluid to go out and new fluid to come in, so it keeps it lubricated. So you're not getting dehydration in that joint. So just to let you know, so when it's a natural occurrence of the chiropractic adjustment to open that up, it actually creates more mobility and helps to alleviate tension in that area. So I hope that helps you understand why we have that audible sound. You don't necessarily have to have that sound when we get adjusted. The goal of each adjustment is to take pressure off that nerve system so you feel better, function better, and just you can be the healthiest you could possibly be.